Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you're seeing me for the very first time, hi, my name is Thato and you're most definitely welcome on my channel. Now hit that subscribe button, yes, and click the bell to get notified every time I upload a new video. For today's look, as you guys can see with my gorgeous face and the title, we are doing this beautiful, easy to achieve pink cut crease, and the tutorial is quite beginner friendly, so don't worry if you don't have all your skills in line yet. If you're still a beginner, do not worry, this is the right video. You'll be able to fall in and follow the tutorial. So if you want to see how I created this look, keep on. For this pink cut crease, I'm using the 24 Rose Gold eyeshadow palette by Beauty Treats, and I'm going to go into that shade over there and apply it into my crease. Then I am blending it out towards the top of the eyebrow. To cut my crease, I'm going to go in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Creamy Beige. Now I'm going to go into that shimmery pink shade over there and use it for my cut crease. I'm going to go back into the pink and use it to blend out the edges of my cut crease. I'm using the Revlon Dramatic Definition Mascara. For lashes, I'm using the Clicks Texture eyelashes. Moving on to the face, for foundation, I'm using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation in the shade Cocoa. To highlight my face, I'm using LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Cool Tan, and I'm highlighting the normal areas that I usually highlight. Bridge of my nose, underneath my eyes, my forehead, chin, and Cupid's bow. Blend that all out. Now it's time to set all the areas that I placed concealer on using the Yardley Loose Powder in the shade Translucent Bear. Now it's definitely time to contour using my Essence Mattifying Compact Powder in the shade Expresso. With a smaller brush, I'm contouring my nose. Now I've just gone on the sides of my cheeks to chisel my contour, and I use reverse contouring with the powder. For blush, I'm using the Essence Matte Touch blush in the shade Peach Me Up. I'm removing the excess powder, then applying a little bit of blush as well in the middle of my face, by my nose, and on my forehead. I'm using the Essence Lasting pencil, long lasting eye pencil in the shade Black to line my waterline. Going back into that pink shade over there and applying it underneath my waterline, smoking out my pencil. For the inner corner of the eye, I'm going to go into that gorgeous gold over there. And there under the eyebrow, on the arc. For highlighter, I'm using the Kate highlighting palette. Going to the gold shade in the middle. Applying it above, just there at the heart of my cheek, above my contour and blush. By my nose. For lip liner, I'm using the Essence Draw the Line lip liner in the shade Rich Mahogany. For lipstick, I'm using the Essence Matte lipstick in the shade Perfect Match. This lipstick smells so good. Alright you guys, we are done. This is the end of the tutorial. Let me know what you think about this look in the comment section down below. Let me know if there's any other tutorials that you'd like to see on my channel. And remember, if you haven't subscribed yet, click the subscribe button and join the fam. Hit the bell as well so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Love you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.